It's November 3rd, 2014. Mr. and Mrs. Food Lamp are here in San Francisco, and we're at it again. We're here at a Greek restaurant in the financial district called Kokari, right? And for our entree here at lunch, we're having a chicken souvlaki dish, which is basically a chicken skewer, a Greek version of a chicken skewer. And we have a salad. And then we have another salad, which is a bulgur and mint salad. Kind of looks like couscous or something. A roasted tomato, some yogurt, Greek yogurt. So far the food here has been amazing, and the dinner menu is even more incredible than the lunch menu. And there is a Greek community here in San Francisco. Peace, love, and food. Mr. and Mrs. Food Lamp out.